Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make something very special. We're going to make a patchwork quilted bag. I've been dreaming of doing this since I started sewing last summer. Over the weekend, I drafted some patterns. I ended up with 2 patterns that I tried, and I think I nailed exactly what I want from these 2 trials. So let me show you. This was the first one that I made. I love the size. I'm very, very proud of the quilting job that I did. It was my very first time. I was extremely nervous, but it just ended up so beautiful and I'm so proud. So this was the first size that I tried, and then I tried a slightly smaller one with longer straps, and there is no batting in the straps because I know it was going to be just a trial. So again, love the quilting, very proud of it. The fabric is also extremely pretty. It's this garden print that I really, really love. It's probably one of the first fun fabric that I got. There's also a pocket in this. Very happy with these 2 experiments. I'm going to wear them a lot over the spring and summer, and today we're making a patchwork one because that was my ultimate goal. I already prepped all the fabrics, so let me show you where we're going to work with. So first I have this adorable sunshine print with a bit of a smiley face. It's adorable. A little bit of Greene gingham. Everything is 100% cotton, by the way. Kind of denim, chambray blue, and this adorable floral print. Really love it. You have a reminder of the green, of the blue, and the yellow, so it's going to be lovely. For the lining, I have a very pretty cotton yellow. So these are the fabrics that we're going to patchwork together. I'm going to start on the patchworking today, and I'm not sure I'm going to do much more today, but I'm going to take you along all of the process of making this bag, and I'm very excited. So I hope you'll enjoy it as much as I do, and yeah, let's get to sewing. Alright friends, ta-da! All finished, all so very pretty. I am so proud of it. I'm so happy with it. It's going to be my main bag for the remainder of spring and well into summer. I enjoyed making this bag a lot and I know I'm gonna be making a hell of a lot more. I'm thinking I might add some to my shop very soon. If I feel comfortable enough in their quality, I will do it. So I'll keep you updated on that. Thank you so much for joining me on this little quilting adventure. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye!